Welcome to our RCA Fridge Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular apartment-size refrigerators, the RCA RFR741BLACK and the RCA RFR725. Both models offer 7.5 cubic feet of storage, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive into the details and see which fridge comes out on top. When it comes to price, the RCA RFR741BLACK is the more budget-friendly option at $299, while the RCA RFR725 comes in at $349. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking to save money. However, it's essential to consider what features you value most in a refrigerator. The RCA RFR741 features a sleek black finish, which gives it a classic look, while the RCA RFR725 boasts a modern stainless steel finish. The choice between these finishes often comes down to personal preference and kitchen aesthetics. The stainless steel finish may appeal to those looking for a contemporary touch. In terms of freezer capacity, the RCA RFR741 offers a larger freezer space of 1 cubic foot compared to the 0.5 cubic foot freezer of the RCA RFR725. If you frequently freeze items or need extra space for frozen foods, the RFR741 might be the better choice for you. In conclusion, both the RCA RFR741 and RCA RFR725 have their strengths and weaknesses. The RFR741 is more affordable and offers a larger freezer, while the RFR725 features a stylish stainless steel finish and slightly better internal organization. Consider your priorities and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.